Justice reigns from above. Above.
Damn!
Довности.
Above.
Damn!
Above.
Damn!
Довности.
Above.
Hello! So, yesterday I was quite confused. I kind of forgot that it was the Firework Festival yesterday, that me and my colleagues wanted to go, and so I remembered very shortly before and I rushed out. So I made it in time, but like not for the meeting time, we made it in time for the firework. So I was kind of lucky that my camera was charged, also my phone, and my battery pack was charged. You know, Pokemon Run to the station. Yeah, so I was kind of filming a little bit of the way to get there because it was quite interesting to see how many people are actually going, and it was a really big mass of people. When we were going through the city, you could see that this large amount of people had to be managed. There were people guiding when you had to go, when you had to stop, and stopping cars so that you can cross some streets. And that was really impressive. So I have some footage of this big crowd of people, and also of course of the firework, which was 1 hour long, so I might not be able to show all of it, but some nice moments. There were people sitting around, of course, and they were like, "Sugoi! Amazing!" and all these kind of things, so maybe these are the best moments to show. And also, of course, I'm quite lucky. I was filming more or less through the whole hour, and I just turned my camera off here and there, and I could get the very last moments of the firework, like the big finale. It's kind of in the last second it shuts down, but it's fine, you can get it. So please enjoy the mass of people and the firework. It's really nice, and I have to say that it's not as impressive, of course, if you watch a video of it, because when you were sitting there and we had like the last places somewhere, we were late, we had some bad places, but still, when one of those big fireworks explodes, you can see how it spreads, and then there will be the impact of this kind of big explosion, so you can feel it. You can really feel the explosions, and if there are so many, they are coming to you, like it's amazing. I totally recommend, 10 out of 10. You should go to Firework Hanabi in Japan. Oh, and on the way back, we, of course, all the people wanted to leave. So it was even more crowded than before, and we had to stop every here and then to, for example, if there was a red light on the crossing, there was not like 10 people stopping in front of a crossing, it was like a huge mass of people stopping, and you didn't even know why you were stopping from time to time. So yeah, that's quite interesting. But everybody kept quite calm, and it was nice atmosphere, even though it was hot. It was really hot, we were melting all the time. I think you can see it in the very few footage that our skin is like melting apart. And we bought some like juice on the way. There were some kind of small shops outside where you can buy like cold juices or cold drinks, cold alcoholic drinks. Because of the supermarkets, they were so crowded. Most people actually wanted to go to the toilet in the supermarkets, I guess. It looked like it. But you could not even enter a supermarket on the way. It was crowded and a huge queue in front. So these little shops or vending machines came in very handy to get something to drink. Yes, so that's it. Please enjoy the firework, and I don't know, have a nice day, I guess.